DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly news update for Pidgin English. Me wan lakuna this week na una country brother Stanley Okocha. I beg my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this. Our first news for today na be the one when it concern
DJM TV.
This morning we came to visit with the president and essentially to express the gratitude of Edo people and myself and my deputy for the role he played in the conduct of the last gubernatorial elections in Edo State. He insisted that Nigeria should have proper elections, credible elections, fair and free and fair elections, and that is what happened. And so this morning we are here in the villa to express our profound gratitude and appreciation for this act, which on the surface will look normal, but the implications are very far-reaching because this is a sitting president whose party was contesting an election, and he insisted that the right thing be done and a level playing field be created for all contestants. By doing so, that singular action has deepened our democracy far beyond what we can understand and imagine today. So for that act alone, we felt it was important that we come and say thank you. And not just coming alone with my deputy, we decided to come and say thank you with representatives of Edo people, our senators, our members of the House of Representatives, our senior citizens, and our party leaders. And Mr. President, in his characteristic humorous manner, he reluctantly congratulated me for beating his party. But seriously, I mean, he said also that, pointed out that his role, first and foremost, is as president of Nigeria, is to be president of all Nigerians, regardless of your party, your race, your tribe, or your creed. We couldn't ask more from Mr. President. He's really played the role.
DJM TV.
Yes, you're confident about, still politics anyway, that your party will win on the, but what if maybe the APC pull together, the national leader of the APC supports the candidate of the APC in Ondo State? Can you still, can your party?
They have always supported their party.
No, there was a disagreement, a falling out, which led to your party taking advantage. Some people said the message that the former governor of Lagos State released affected things.
In football, you know, when you lose, there must be a reason why you lost. When you win, there must be a reason why you won, you know. APC, they have the duty now to say, oh, you know, we lost because of this, because of that. But they forget to point that the way the politics is moving, everybody's being conscious. As a region, everybody now wants to be together. As a region.
They want to go back to regionalism?
No, what I'm trying to say is that we don't want to have divergent views. We want to work to speak with one voice. One voice in standard. We don't want to say where you are talking based. Oh, like before when we meet, you don't say the Edo State governor. You know, yes, because he belongs to APC then. So when we are discussing, he will not be there. But now he's with us. Everybody will be together now, and to talk about Sasa. So when we talk about Ondo, about APC coming together,
and the national leader supporting them,
I have no problems about that. They have always supported themselves. But the point we are praying, we are saying, even though I'm afraid, because the kind of pressure on INEC now is so enormous. It's so enormous that I doubt whether INEC will not kill him.
What will be next for you? What will be next for you after your tenure when you finish?
What will be next for me? Let me finish first. Well, do we have to put...
They're already talking about 2023.
Yes,
everywhere you turn, they say this person is going to be president, I'm campaigning for this. So they're already talking about it, whether we like it or not.
Yeah, somebody, those who want to be president, they can be talking about them. My duty now is to provide basic infrastructure for my people. My duty is not to talk about what 2023 will be, assuming I'm not alive. Assuming I'm not alive.
Some would also talk, Your Excellency, about the fact that the success of a leader is more sometimes predicated on the succession of his successes after he's left office.
You see, that's also why that's why we have this problem. Why, when I'm living as a governor, I must produce
not necessarily
somebody who succeeds.
Not necessarily. Not necessarily.
And that is the problem we have all over. You people are the ones who are encouraging politicians to bring a successor.
It's just a question.
It's not a question. He already has that in mind. What he's asking me,
I'm checking my mind.
No, what he's asking me is that how am I preparing for my successor? Why must I bring the successor?
No, I'm asking, how do you want to ensure, because there is the need to ensure that the successes and the interests of your people in the state are sustained beyond your tenure.
Yes.
That's just what I'm asking. What's the plan to ensure that those successes you have recorded are not withered down?
No, I don't agree to that. Everybody who wants to be at the head of affairs would have his own vision and mission. If somebody was coming to the government of the state, believes that he can go along with what I have done, so be it. I am not going to say, look, I want Chamberlain to succeed me so I can continue. Why would I think so? Why would I want Chamberlain to continue what I have done? When Chamberlain must have his own vision and mission. And when we want to have this at the back of our mind, then there's a problem. And that's why in Nigerian politics today, everybody wants, I will put who will succeed me.
But not you.
I will not do that. And that's the problem I have today. People are saying, look, you're not making any room for who will succeed you. I said, why would I make room for who will succeed me? Well, okay, well, what would I do? If the man succeeds me, so what will happen? If he does not do the things I want you to do, so what will happen? And who tells you that if he succeeds me, that I will have control over him?
All right.
I will be a party to that. But history has shown it does not work. And allow everybody to have his own mind, to do what he wants to do for the people, and let the people judge him based on what he's doing.
DJM TV.
My brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take a watch our Obonge news like this, I beg, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue to receive all Obonge news like this.
DJM TV.